the 4-minute mark for Kenya. And good afternoon to Ali Ming. You're killing it, Joe. Killing what? What am I killing, Ali? Thanks for all the hype. Yes, I do try. Keep pushing. You're making us all proud. Shout out to all the staff, camera crew, judges, and teams serving behind the scenes. Thank you from the Philippines. Yes, and thank you to you as well, Ali. There is a huge support staff here. We have people maintaining weapons. We have masseurs for all of the injuries, the little strains that are picked up during the course of the week. All the medical staff, of course, and probably caterers. There is obviously a separate catering unit for the judges, because they get special treatment. Betty says, watching from the Solomon Islands, go solo. Go solo. Thank you, Betty. Now it's the turn of Rwanda. The Defence Force team from Rwanda. They are the first of the Rwandan teams to go today.
Are you ready?
3 Rwandan teams in this year's UAE SWAT Challenge competition, but these are the first on day 4 to start their run. The fastest time so far today, still that Kazakh B, 2:24.8. Last year, Rwanda SWAT Team 2 went round in 3:13.2, so personal target for them will be that time. Can they come round in under the 3-minute mark and beat their best of last year? SWAT Team 1 went round in 3:22 from Rwanda last year, but 3:13 is the best of the Rwandans in 2025. Marie-Jean watching intently as Rwanda go round, as is Uwais Odeth. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. No issues with the targets on the ground for the Rwandan snipers. The assaulters are on their way down. Now we can sprint towards the pistol pen, bounding along with those long legs. He hasn't climbed over that wooden wall, he stepped over it. Takes a start. That's done, no issues there. Over the dog kennel and into the second of the pistol boxes to start on those 32 targets. Meanwhile, up on the balcony at the top of the tower, the snipers will engage the second of their challenges. He's missed that first one. I think that's 3 from 3 misses, if I'm not mistaken in my count. 4 misses. They must be getting low on ammunition now. Remember, only 7 rounds each, 14 in total. There goes one. Still 3 out there, though. Looks like they've still got more ammunition as well. 2 down, 2 to go. That's another miss. Surely they must be done now. Yep. Is that it? It is. Out of ammunition. So they've left a minute out on the range of time penalties. Now the snipers can come down. What did I say? 3:22. They're not going to beat that time. The Defence Force team of Rwanda. As they sprint towards the finish line, they will comfortably come inside the 4-minute mark though. 3:49.0. There's a few people here who clearly finished school, unless they've skipped school, of course. Why not skip school? Come and watch the UAE SWAT Challenge. I will take full responsibility. Next out will be the Brazilian ladies, the GRT of Sao Paulo. Jones Kamanzi. Are you happy with that, Jones Kamanzi? Are you happy with the 50 if you're pale like me?
Allahu Akbar!
Now it's the turn of Pakistan. Good evening, Joe from Thailand. Kumara Pumpkin says, good evening, Joe. I just realized your name is the same as my dad's. Careful, Kumara, I'm not your father. Not as far as I'm aware.
Are you ready?
Good luck to all the teams. Thank you, Kumara.
Push, push, push!
We now have the clock back as the Special Security Unit of Sindh Police of Pakistan go out. They are the first of the Pakistani teams to go today. There goes the first shot, and it's a hit as well. Side is he a little bit uncomfortable just trying to get those rounds chambered. He still has 3 targets out there, so clearly struggling at the moment. The second of the Pakistani snipers. One down. 1, 2 down. On to go. His colleague is already going up those stairs of the tower. He's now finished. The assaulters going out the other side as the first of the Pakistani snipers comes out onto the balcony to engage his targets. Approximately 300 meters from the top of that tower. That's a good shot. We've crossed the 2.5 minute mark. That's 2 good shots. 2 shots, 2 hits. His colleague has just arrived and is settling down as we speak. Meanwhile, they're engaging the Texas Star. He's missed the first of those 2, the second of the Pakistani snipers. The Special Security SWAT unit of Pakistan last year went in 5 minutes 30. They incurred 1.5 minutes of penalties though. And the Punjab police of Pakistan went round in 6:26. That was last year. Can these guys come round quicker than their colleagues did in 2025? That's going to be the question. 3 more. Oh, it's wobbling. Is it going to go? Eventually. 1 more. He's dropped it over the wooden wall. They can now head for home. Crawl under that ping pong table. And then sprint towards the finish line. It looks like they're going to comfortably come home inside that 5.5 minutes. Unless there's an issue here, which could delay things, and he does seem to be struggling to get that carabiner hooked on. The Pakistani sniper, now he comes down the tower. A little pirouette to free himself from that rope as he sprints towards the finish line. The Special Security Unit Sindh Police of Pakistan, they stopped the clock in 4:48.9. Comfortably quicker than last year.